Welcome to 41533 Hearthstone Avenue in Prairieville, Louisiana, located in the Greystone subdivision. This beautiful 4-bedroom open floor plan home is located on a lake lot. The spacious living room with cozy fireplace, crown moldings, recessed lighting and plenty of windows to let in all that natural light and gives you beautiful views of the lake at the back of the yard. The kitchen features Cypress cabinetry, granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, walk-in pantry, and also has a large dedicated eating space. The spacious master suite has plenty of windows, letting in lots of natural light, and painted in a neutral color palette. Also has crown moldings, varied ceiling heights, and a mounted ceiling fan. The ensuite master bathroom has double vanity sinks, garden tub standalone shower, and a huge master closet. Each of the additional bedrooms are painted in a neutral color palette and feature varied ceiling heights, mounted ceiling fans, wall-to-wall beige plush carpeting, and lots of closet space for all your storage needs. The additional bathroom features tiled flooring, painted cabinetry, vanity sink, and a tub shower combination. The large utility room that is in this home is big enough for an additional freezer. This home also has a dedicated office space, which would be perfect for working at home. As you head into the backyard, you'll enjoy plenty of days sitting on your back porch looking at the views of the lake. This lot is large inside and could possibly even be a great space for a future swimming pool. 41533 Hearthstone Avenue in the Greystone subdivision is turnkey ready and is ready for your private showing today.